This is Padma. I have been a volunteer teacher with eVidyayoga for 2+ years now. This year I got the opportunity to work in the leadership curriculum program. This program is all about inculcating leadership skills and building confidence in the kids. So as a part of this program, I got to mentor two amazing kids, Kanishka and Prem Kumar. They have got big goals. So Kanishka wants to become a district collector, and so as a part of this project, we looked up different areas where we could provide improvement or suggestions or educate people, and we ended up choosing to educate people on harmfulness of plastic and its proper usage and disposal. So Kanishka will explain more in her video about the project cycle and what all she did to educate the people and bring awareness to the people. So Prem Kumar is a geeky kid who wants to become a chemist in future, and he wanted to do a project on finding something that would stop tears when cutting onions. So his mom can peel and cut onions without shedding tears. This was his first idea for the project, but then he needs a lot of chemistry knowledge for that to do such kinds of project. But which he will gain in the further standards, and these projects will be possible then. So we decided a little smaller project of building a wind turbine. That was also his idea, to help people who work in fields far away that could be needed, because a little bit of electricity would give them would be used to for a torch light or charging a bit of mobile phone or something small. So he built a small model of a windmill that uses wind energy and lights up a bulb. He will explain more about his project, how he built it and what are the parts that are involved in the windmill, and his goal and ambitions, and his further goal and ambitions. So please watch both of their videos. I would end up by thanking Devaki ma'am, the class assistant, without whose help it would be impossible to finish these two projects. She was a great help with the kids and coordinating all of this. Thanks to her, and thanks to eVidyayoga.